Hi, and welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to use SaleFreaks, the world's most powerful fully automated Amazon to eBay dropshipping software. In this video, we'll walk you through all the features and functionalities of SaleFreaks and show you how to use automation and comprehensive management tools to streamline your dropshipping business. SaleFreaks is a fully automated, non-API and API, all-in-one Amazon to eBay dropshipping software that powers your entire business and makes sales 24/7 on autopilot. SaleFreaks users power their entire dropship business all the way from finding highly profitable, fast-selling products to listing, monitoring, repricing, and selling products at scale from Amazon to eBay. With SaleFreaks, you can take your dropshipping business to new heights with minimal effort. Let's start by talking about some of the key features that SaleFreaks offers. Powerful product research. SaleFreaks provides powerful product research tools to help you find fast-selling, highly profitable products on Amazon. You can scan entire Amazon subcategories at once and filter items according to reviews, competition, profitability, and more. This makes it easy to identify the best products to dropship and maximize your profits. Super fast uploads. SaleFreaks allows you to automatically list products for sale on eBay with super fast uploads. This means you can quickly and efficiently create listings without having to manually enter all the details. Simply select the products you want to list, and SaleFreaks will handle the rest. Order fulfillment. One of the key advantages of using SaleFreaks is its automated order fulfillment feature. You can purchase products after they have already sold, using the customer's money. This means you don't have to worry about holding inventory or spending your own money up front. SaleFreaks will automatically place the order on Amazon and have it shipped directly to the customer. Easy shipping. SaleFreaks makes shipping easy by automatically shipping the product directly to the customer via Amazon. This eliminates the need for you to handle any shipping logistics, saving you time and effort. Established in 2010, SaleFreaks began its journey in 2010 and quickly rose through the ranks to become the world's #1 software for dropshipping. With over a decade of experience, SaleFreaks has evolved into the ultimate side hustle cheat code for dropshippers. In total, SaleFreaks users have generated over $354 million in sales. This impressive figure is a testament to the effectiveness of the software and its ability to help dropshippers achieve significant success. Built by dropshippers. SaleFreaks is built by dropshippers for dropshippers. The team behind SaleFreaks understands the challenges and needs of dropshippers and has designed the software to address these effectively. Non-API and API options. SaleFreaks offers both non-API and API options, making it the most powerful, flexible, and scalable dropshipping software on the market. The non-API software provides higher listing visibility and more profit, while the API software offers fast, reliable, and effective fully automated mass dropshipping tools. Fully automated. SaleFreaks allows you to run your business on autopilot. Unlike other non-API solutions, SaleFreaks can automatically fulfill orders and revise listings 24/7 without any manual input, browser extensions, or the need to leave your PC running. Unlimited accounts. SaleFreaks is fully scalable and works with an unlimited number of eBay and Amazon accounts. This means you can easily scale your business and manage multiple accounts from a single platform. Listing generator. With the SaleFreaks listing generator, you can create one or even thousands of listings in a click. SaleFreaks will automatically adjust your prices in real time to beat your competitors, ensuring you always make as much profit as possible without ever losing a sale. Listing template editor. SaleFreaks offers a listing template editor that allows you to create your own templates or use the provided ones. This feature enables you to customize your listings to match your brand and create a professional appearance. Bulk importing tool. The bulk importing tool allows you to create a CSV of your ASINs and shortened eBay titles and import lots of products quickly and easily. This feature is particularly useful for sellers with large inventories. Automated Amazon order fulfillment. SaleFreaks offers an Amazon-managed account service that allows eBay US users to fulfill orders with zero risk of Amazon account suspensions. This feature provides peace of mind and ensures your business can operate smoothly. Powerful automated repricing. SaleFreaks' automated repricer helps you beat the competition and win more sales. The repricer adjusts your prices 24/7 to ensure you remain competitive and maximize your profits. Profit breakdown. With the profit breakdown feature, you can easily view your products with the purchase price, costs, fees, and selling price to see how much you're making on each item. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your listings and pricing strategies. Business Dashboard. The Business Dashboard provides an overview of your growth, profitability, conversion rates, and more. With your dropshipping business fully automated, you can track your performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your operations. Vero Database. SaleFreaks boasts the most comprehensive and largest Vero database built over more than a decade. This database helps prevent potential suspensions and hassle by automatically blocking Vero listings from being added to your account. Prevention and Blocking Tool. The Prevention and Blocking Tool helps keep your seller account safe by using the extensive Vero database to prevent restricted items from being listed. Vero Shredder. The Vero Shredder tool allows you to safely remove newly identified restricted or Vero items from your stores, wiping out any trace of pictures, titles, and descriptions. Blue Care Express Tracking. SaleFreaks automatically uploads item tracking to eBay using Blue Care Express, ensuring secure, fast, and trackable deliveries. You can reliably track your parcels anytime, anywhere. Free SaleFreaks Starter Guide. SaleFreaks offers a free starter guide to help you get up and running quickly. The guide provides step-by-step instructions to make profitable sales faster, even if you're new to dropshipping. Free video course training. As a SaleFreaks user, you get access to a free video course training created by dropshippers. The course is regularly updated with new tips and tricks to help you succeed in your dropshipping business. Unlimited 24/7 support. SaleFreaks offers unlimited 24/7 support from a large team of support staff. Whether you have questions or encounter problems, the support team is available around the clock to provide fast and effective assistance. Private SaleFreaks Community. As a SaleFreaks user, you get access to a private community of fellow dropshippers. This community allows you to share strategies, seek advice, and get help from other experienced dropshippers. Group Coaching and Mentorship. SaleFreaks offers group coaching and mentorship from successful dropshippers. Through regular webinars, full Q&A sessions, and over-the-shoulder walkthroughs, you'll receive valuable guidance to help you build and grow your business. SaleFreaks offers a variety of pricing plans tailored to fit the needs of different types of dropshippers, from beginners to seasoned professionals. You can choose from the beginners, intermediate, professional, and empire plans. The cheapest plan is the beginner's plan starting from $39 per month. This plan offers you 500 eBay listings, 10,000 locator scans per day, 100 auto, offers 50 free tokens, and many more features. You can visit this page and check all of the plans and choose the one that fits your needs. I've included the link to SaleFreaks and any other relevant tools and platforms in the description below, so you can check them out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next one.